Weborn was the original name of which famous company? Among the four options, the right option is Instagram. Weborn was the original name of Instagram. Jerry's Guide to the World Wide Web was the original name of which famous company? We have options of Subway, IBM, Yahoo or Firefox. The right option is Yahoo. Cadabra was the original name of which famous company? Subway, IBM, Amazon or Firefox. The right option is Amazon. Kibble was the original name of which famous company? Among the options, we have Snapchat, IBM, Netflix or Firefox. The right option is Snapchat. Peekaboo was the original name of which famous company? Among the option, we have Subway, IBM, Netflix or Firefox. And the right option is Netflix. Matchbox was the original name of which famous company? Subway, IBM, Netflix or Tinder. The right option is Tinder. Twitter was the original name of which famous company? Among four options, we have Subway, IBM, X and Tinder. The right option is X. Firebird was the original name of which famous company? And the right option is Firefox.